Hello, welcome to Amie's beauty journey. Today I'm going to be doing a pink and brown sort of chocolate covered strawberry smoky eye for you. I've already done my skin makeup and my eyebrows, so I'm just going to be showing you the eyeshadow. I am mostly going to be using this palette. It's from Wet n Wild, and it's the My Melody palette. And I'll go ahead and I'll show you the colors. So it has a lot of shimmery pinks and browns and some magentas in it. And it really makes a nice palette. And then I will also be using this Day to Night Autobalm, and this is a dark shimmery brown, just a pressed eyeshadow. But I'm going to be starting off with my Milani eyeshadow primer, so I'm just going to go ahead and spread this on my lids. So, let's get started. Look, I hope that you enjoyed that. As you can see, it's very pink and brown, shimmery. Kind of reminds me of a chocolate covered strawberry or like a raspberry candy bar. Yeah, so this is a really good look for Valentine's Day too, which is another reason why I did this. So if you're looking for something simple for Valentine's Day that's girly and has a lot of pinks, then I think that this is the perfect look. I hope that you all are having a good year so far. I know that it's been hard, and I know that there's been a lot of craziness going on, and I don't even know what to say or think about all of the gnarliness that's been happening at the Capitol, and all the people that are suffering right now. Just breaks my heart, and you know, we all feel it, and we're all in it together. And what is most important right now is to put our differences aside and to just show each other love and find the things that we have in common, because we are all human beings and we are all capable of compassion. It's really, really important to put our differences aside and just find a basis of understanding during this time, because we're not going to be able to get through this time because there's so much stress. People are fighting more, people are acting up, people are losing their minds. And so if you feel the urge to argue with somebody, or you feel the urge to get angry because of your political values, or you feel the urge to just attack somebody because of their opinion, or somebody's attacking you because of your opinion, just remember that we are all human, and right now we're all suffering a lot, and so we have to put those differences aside because we need to make it through this time together. We have to show a lot of love to make it through this time together. And if we keep, you know, getting so caught up about the little things that don't matter, we're not going to be able to pull together. I live in Oregon, where the Oregon fires just happened, and it was one of the most beautiful things to see all of the volunteers pull together to help the community despite all of our differences, despite our political differences, despite our financial differences, despite race differences, everybody, or age differences, everybody pulled together, and everybody helped everybody in need, and there was just an overflow of donations and love and funding and food and clothing. And I went and volunteered for a day, and it was the most rewarding experience ever. And it was just amazing to see all of these different people working together, just because we know that we're in a desperate time right now and that we need to help each other. So I send you all my love, and I hope that you all have a good January and that you're able to just find some peace, go on a walk, go hug a tree, go pet a cat, and watch a funny movie. You know, just take that time to relax. It's so important right now. And I know that we've all been quarantining and we can get bored. But if you can find a craft to do, or if you can just do something that you don't usually do, like yoga or cooking, or just finding that one thing that you've been wanting to do and just going for it, that is going to be so rewarding for you. All right. Much love. Mwah.